What I love about Sous Vide the most, from the technical cook in me of wanting to achieve perfection every time, the level of control that it gives you over cooking products, keeping things medium rare when you want them to be medium rare, keeping a piece of chicken super moist, achieving the perfect tenderness of a carrot, that feels magical and impossible. Like magic is science you don't understand yet. I love that we're still learning how to use it. I love that we still have chefs who are dedicated and scientists in the company that are dedicated to playing with it and pushing boundaries and figuring out what else we can get it to do and how else we can use it. Because even if that doesn't work, we learn something. I've seen a lot of products that have gone to market in the last 8 years that were born from failure. We have chefs from all over the world with very different backgrounds, and they all contribute to the development of the company, especially in our retail things when we're trying to hit an ethnic flavor profile. Having experience running restaurants, having experience running teams and building kitchens, I had a lot of time exploring and researching all of those different cuisines. I have a very broad knowledge of all of those cuisines. Not the deepest knowledge, but I have an understanding of what they are and what the flavor profiles are and how to get there. So giving the chefs space to play with things and fail with things and turn it into a success is inspiring, and it helps remind me, let them try. Sometimes I'm pretty sure something isn't going to work, but I see what they're trying to do. And so giving them the space to try it and see what actually happens. And then I have a better idea how to coach them to do something different, how to take that in a different direction. I think our leadership giving us the freedom to play like that is inspiring. I think just kind of the general passion that they have for the company is inspiring. It makes us all want to be here every day and really step up and do a great job, give everything we can. My name is Wheaton. I'm the Vice President of Culinary Services for Cuisine Solutions.